Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of COWRITER. COWRITER says it helps you unlock your best writing, your AI powerhouse for speeding up creative writing. So you can get started. Your first away is 100% free. So let's see how it works. Okay. So the AI platform for all your creative writing needs. COWRITER is an AI-powered text editor and copy generator designed to empower writers and speed up the creative writing process. It is built by and for writers. COWRITER AI editor is aimed at optimizing writer productivity and providing all of your writing needs without taking your hands off the keyboard. Create, edit, and improve your content quickly and easily in just a few seconds. So for its pros, we have it is great for the ability to assist in various writing tasks for generating creative content like stories and poems, to helping with academic papers and marketing copy. It offers features like idea generation, autocomplete, and the ability to adapt writing style and tone. Users find it effective in overcoming writers' blocks and speeding up the drafting process, saving significant time. It also includes helpful features like grammar and spelling checks, and some versions offer built-in prerequisite checking and citation assistance, making it a more comprehensive tool. The interface is generally considered user-friendly and intuitive. Now, when it comes to the cons, as with many AI tools, there's a risk of over-reliance, which could potentially hinder the development of a user's own writing skills. Generated content may sometimes lack true originality or possess a somewhat robotic or unnatural phrasing if not carefully edited, and some users may find the pricing plans to be a factor depending on their usage needs. Overall, COWRITER AI is a valuable tool that can significantly boost productivity and assist in crafting various types of content, ultimately helping writers enhance their creative process and efficiency. Hope you found this video helpful.